Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to stop Microsoft Edge from installing automatically in Windows computer. So there are several potential reasons for this automatic reinstallation, and one possibility is that Microsoft bundles Edge updates with Windows updates, and these updates might reinstall the browser even if it has already been uninstalled. And then I'll show you methods that to help to fix this problem. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to modify at the Windows registry. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type registry editor, and then you need to right click and select run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And then once you open up this registry editor, and then next step, and then you need to select this HK local machines. So click this arrow to expand, and then you need to select this software folder. So click again this arrow to expand, and then here at a software folder, and then we need to find and locate this Microsoft folder. Alright, so all you have to do is to select this Microsoft folder, and then you need to right click and then select new, and then select this key, and you can say this a new folder, and then we need to rename this a new folder. So rename with Edge update, that is one word, and then press enter. And then this new folder that we need to create, so Edge update, so click, and then on right panel, then we need to create again new folder. So on how to create this new folder again, so all you have to do is to right click here in the blank space area, select new, and then here at key, and then select the word 32-bit value, and then you can see now this new folder. So all you have to do is to rename again. So we need to rename with do not update to Edge with Chromium. So that one we will rename this folder. Okay, so rename this folder with do not update to Edge with Chromium. That is one word, and then press enter. So once you already rename this folder, so all you have to do is to select and double click, and then pop up this edit door 32-bit value, and then you need to double check this value name, do not update to Edge with Chromium, and then here at value data, then we need to change this as value 0 into 1. Okay, so change this 0 into 1, and then here at base hexadecimal, select this hexadecimal, and then click OK. And then once we're done here at register editor, and then we need to close, and then here at start menu, and then we need to restart to fix this problem. Alright, so that's it guys on how to stop Microsoft Edge from installing automatically in Windows. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.